Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to upload CapCut videos to YouTube PC. Are you looking for a quick guide how to upload CapCut videos to YouTube PC? Stay tuned because this video is for you. So we are in CapCut.com on the desktop. So this is going to be a very fast video. This is going to be, well, it's still going to be a minute long. But what you need to understand that this is it's common sense, all right? How do you upload PC to YouTube PC CapCut videos on mobile? It's very easy. So once you download CapCut on your mobile device and you finish editing your videos and save it on your phone, right? So what you need to do is go to your Google Drive. So if you have a Google Drive like this, and just upload it to a folder, say CapCut folder. You can, name a folder CapCut folder, and then there is an option on your phone to upload it on your phone, from your phone to your Google Drive, and then open Google Drive on your PC, like so, and then just right-click the file download. There's going to be an option to download the file, download it to your PC, and then go to YouTube and upload it to your channel, just like any other video you upload on YouTube via your computer. And that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.